brakes are not good. Let's see under here. Yep, the rainstorm hit it.
Come here. Come here. Tell them what's wrong.
The problem is that we get a really bad idea. The car was leaking and it damaged itself. There was a flat tire on itself and the engine brakes are cracked, so oil is leaking out and the engine can't control it. So that's why we try to fix it, because the oil was going to leak and the rainstorm, I think thunder hit it. The thunder hit it when it was from the rainstorm. It was badly and no water race mark. And we got that problem of the energy for why? Not when we were energy.